Ooh, that's a lot of pressure. Hey, it's Jake Wizard 4 here at Faraday Studios once again. This particular exercise is to have a young person ponder the elegance of the natural world. This phenomena we see around us all the time, we take for granted, don't even think about it. And one of those is a bubble. When I say bubble, do you automatically think strength and power, or do you think of
flimsy and fragile?
Flimsy and fragile?
Short-lived.
Short-lived. I could think no better source of bubbles than a chilled bottle of root beer. Looky here, look what it says back here. Carbonated water. Oh, by the way, how do scientists smell things?
Waft.
They waft, let's waft. Oh, so I'm gonna have a sip. And we're gonna try to make a belch. A little belching contest here. There you go, we got it.
There you go.
So here's something we're gonna do. Takes you back a few years, there's one for you. I want you to take that apart. Now I want you to look at this, see if you notice anything special about this particular nipple that we've...
There's no hole.
No hole. That's a dirty trick to play on a baby, wasn't it?
It'd be tough.
So it's made out of rubber, stretchable, right? I want you guys to blow it up a little bit, just to blow it. Stick it up here and blow it up like a balloon. 1, 2, 3.
I'm not doing anything.
Not ain't going nowhere.
Nope.
I don't want to waste root beer on this. I'm not going to waste mine.
Root beer's too good.
Yeah, some club soda. That's just water with the CO2 dissolved in
Carbonation.
it, yeah. Just put your cap on there good and tight. Shake that bottle a little bit.
Oh, whoa, whoa. There went that thing.
I thought these were supposed to be weak bubbles.
Uh-huh. How much pressure do you think that is?
A lot.
Why don't you try yours? Here we go. There it goes. Actually dissolved in this liquid is carbon dioxide gas. And there's a lot of it dissolved in there. So when we get a bottle of club soda or a soft drink, there's a tremendous amount of gas dissolved in there. And when we shake it, we let it go. And there's so much gas that it creates significant amount of pressure. We use it all the time, contained air pressure. We just don't, we take it for granted. We're so used to living in a high pressure environment. We just forget about it. Matter of fact, the air that's pushing on us right now, there's a lot of air above our heads. They say we live at the bottom of an ocean of air. If you go up above 15,000 feet, we can't live up above that. Ooh, that's a lot of pressure. That's why you got to burp a baby, by the way. Okay, let's belch one more time for the road with some bubbles.